again, Stampers. It's Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com, and I have another project to share with you today. For this project, you're going to need Mercury Glass Acetate in the holiday catalog. It measures 11 inches by 4 1/4, and it's scored at 5 1/2. Going to need 2 pieces of the plaid paper cut with the rectangular framelits, and this one measures 3 1/8 by 4 1/2, and I've already cut these out just to make it a little faster. You're also going to need a piece of shimmery white cardstock cut with the framelit from the rectangular stitch framelits dies, and it measures 2 7/8 by 3 3/4. I'm going to stamp on that. And then you're also going to need a scrap of the shimmery white cardstock, because we're going to be cutting our sentiment with that. And also 3 of the pattern papers. This is from the Wrapped in Plaid 6x6 Specialty Designer Series paper pack. I used the reindeer, the tree, and then the green polka dot. This is the stamp set we're going to be using. This is the Perfectly Plaid photopolymer stamp set from Stampin Up. It's in the holiday catalog. And it has a coordinating Christmas tree punch that we're also going to be using. Go ahead and punch out the 3 trees that we need. That's it for our tree punch. This is cherry cobbler ink, which matches the paper. So this is the one that goes on the outside of the card. Christmas cheer. I'm going to stamp on here. Well, let's try that again. I didn't quite get a good impression that time. I'm going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment for the inside. Just to make sure we get good pressure across the whole thing. Give it a second to soak in. That's a pretty good image. Set that aside for a second. We're going to go ahead and stamp the inside of our card, which says Merry Christmas. Same ink. Just going to put that in the middle. Same thing, just give it a chance to soak in. Okay. This is a really quick card to do. The only other cutting we have left to do is we're going to cut this sentiment out on the big shot. Bring that in here. Now let's bring in our other pieces, and we're just going to put our card together. So with the Mercury Glass Acetate, you're going to have to really come in with your bone folder and press hard to get a good crease. And this paper does come with the plastic backing, so make sure you remove that. It's on one side of the cardstock, on the really smooth side. You can kind of feel texture on one of them, but it's on the really smooth side of the paper, so make sure you do that. So to attach our paper, we're just going to go ahead and use snail. Go ahead and line this up right where we want it. kind of get, I'll go ahead and put this in the center as well. Now this is the inside of our card. Line that up. And then a little trick for this. Make sure we line this up correctly. We don't want it peeking through the wrong side. I'm going to see where the front is on this. And then we're going to put some snail on there. I'll reline it up in a second. So you can kind of see where the cardstock color's peeking through there. You just want to try and line it up so it's centered, and then you can close the back down on it. You have it in the perfect spot. Okay, so now we just need to attach our trees. And for two of them, I'm going to use the snail for that. We're just going to line these up a little bit off of the frame there. So the first two kind of get lined up with each other. And then for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use our mini dimensionals. And they're just like the perfect size for these little trees. We only need a few of those. I'm going to bring him down just a little bit in between these other two. That's my mess up side, but that's fine. Nobody's going to see that. Just going to put dimensionals on there. Make sure you put one in the middle just so our sentiment doesn't get squooshed in the middle. Use the bigger ones for this. Just gives you a little bit bigger surface area. Okay, and we're just going to line this up with the bottom of our card. Just going to put that in the middle tree. There you have it. We have a super easy Christmas card that you can make lots of. And it adds a lot of bling for very little effort. Isn't it pretty? I like it. Hope you like it too. Make sure you leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more great projects using Stampin' Up! Products. Make sure to visit my online store. And if you need more information, leave me a comment or drop me an email. Have a great day. Bye.